Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. And if you are new to my channel, then let me introduce you to myself. I am Hinal Nimawat and I make content about beauty, lifestyle and travel. आज का जो वीडियो है इट्स ऑल अबाउट नाइका's पिंक फ्राइडे सेल एंड इट्स अ हॉल वीडियो. मैंने जो भी शॉपिंग की है नाइका के पिंक फ्राइडे सेल से, आई विल शो यू दैट व्हाट आई हैव बॉट फ्रॉम इट and I will tell you whether it is worth the money or not. So let's get started with this video. So आज का हमारा जो फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट है इट्स अबाउट अ स्किन केयर. तो पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे कि स्किन केयर चीज़ें कौन सी जो मैंने ली है और वो कैसी है यूज़ करने में. सो लेट मी शो यू कि वो क्या है. The first thing that I bought, it's a trio kit and it is from L'Oreal Paris Revitalift and it's a hyaluronic acid range in which you get this face cleanser, this cream and this serum. It's a trio thing. You have to use it step by step. And इसमें से मैंने ये जो सीरम है ये ऑलरेडी पहले भी यूज़ किया हुआ था एंड इट्स सो मच गुड एंड प्लम्पिंग कि आपकी स्किन को एकदम हाइड्रेशन प्रोवाइड करता है. एंड दिस टाइम व्हेन इट वाज इन सेल, सो आई वाज लाइक लेट मी गिव इट अ ट्राई वंस अगेन. सो आई बॉट दिस 3 ऑफ दिस and I already used it once जब parcel आया and I started using it for 2-3 days and it was so good. This is the face wash and after that you have to use the serum and the last step is the cream and its consistency is super awesome. Let me show you with the cleanser. This is the gel based consistency. Look, this is the gel based consistency that you get in this serum and after washing it gives the plumping and good hydrating skin to feel very soft. And afterwards you have to use this serum and it's a good packaging that you can get drop by drop and it gives nice refreshing hydrating skin. And this is the moisturizing cream that you have to use it in the last. ये ट्राई करने के बाद आपको एकदम चिप और नॉन ग्रीजी फील होगा. इट्स बेस्ट फॉर द समर बट इफ़ यू आर अ पर्सन जिसको एकदम क्रीमी नहीं पसंद, एकदम लाइट वेट मॉइस्चराइजिंग पसंद है, देन यू कैन गिव इट अ ट्राई एंड इट्स सुपर गुड, सुपर ऑसम टू यूज. एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट वी हैव, it's again a moisturizer and it's from Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid. This is the consistency packaging you get and consistency is like a gel water based consistency. और ये मैंने पहले भी ट्राई किया हुआ है. In summer if you use this then it's awesome to use. I know it's the winter season but I still bought it क्योंकि ये बहुत अच्छे से हाइड्रेशन भी देता है और मॉइस्चराइजिंग भी करता है स्किन को एंड इट्स सुपर गुड टू यूज़. और अगर आपको दिन में नहीं पसंद एकदम थिक मॉइस्चराइजर लगाना, देन यू कैन गिव इट अ ट्राई to this moisturizer and you are super good to go. The again next thing is also moisturizer. It's my favorite moisturizer and it is from Dot and Key and it is a tube based packaging. This is my second tube I am using and it's a super good moisturizer for all the dry skin persons like me. I really have very flaky and dry skin. मतलब winter season में इतना dryness आ जाता है after face wash. So if you are a person like me जिनको बहुत ही ज़्यादा dry skin होती है, then this is the best product to use and it's also very budget friendly. और ये नाइका पे every time on discount भी होता है. तो if you are using this, it's a ceramide and hyaluronic barrier repair moisturizer and whatever it says it really does. ये अच्छे से बैरियर प्रोटेक्शन भी देता है, रिपेयर्स योर स्किन एंड इफ समटाइम्स यू डोंट वांट टू डू एनी काइंड ऑफ स्किन केयर एट नाइट, मतलब कि थक गए, कुछ लगाना नहीं है, जस्ट फेस वॉश कर दो एंड अप्लाई दिस मॉइस्चराइजर एंड इट्स सुपर गुड टू गो. मतलब जैसे ही सुबह आप उठोगे योर स्किन विल फील सो गुड. ये इतना अच्छे से हाइड्रेशन भी देता है, मॉइस्चराइज भी करता है. इवन ऑन द डे टाइम इफ यू डोंट वांट टू डू एनी स्किन केयर एंड इफ यू जस्ट अप्लाई दिस मॉइस्चराइजर इट फील्स सो गुड ऑन द स्किन. एंड फॉर विंटर इट्स माई मोस्ट फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट. मैंने ऑलरेडी इसकी एक ट्यूब खत्म कर दी है. इट्स माई सेकेंड ट्यूब एंड इट्स अ सुपर लविंग प्रोडक्ट बाय मी. So if you are a dry skin person then you can give it a try and it's super good to go. Now let's do a lip themed skincare, means lip balm. Let me show you a lip balm which is very viral right now from some days and it's the Hyphens VIP lip balm. It's vitamin infused peptide lip balm. I am in the shade Marshmallow, and it is so good. It gives you a pink plum pink lips. Let me show you the consistency. This is the consistency you get. It's a tube form, and it gives a very flush pink to your lips. If you apply this, then you don't need to apply any tint or anything else or a lip gloss. If you apply this, then your lips feel so good. It gives a nice pink flush to the lips, and it gives a natural hydration and also good for the chapped skin. So now let's move to another category, and it's a makeup category. And for that, I have two products in the compact. So one is the L'Oreal Infallible 24 hours fresh wear foundation in a powder. I have heard so much about this, and I was like, let me give it a try, because I love using compacts whenever it's the festive season or whether it's the shadi season. And you all know that in December, January, February, it's the starting of all the festive seasons, as well as it's the starting of all the shadi season. So if you are going to attending any shadi or being a guest to any festivities, functions, or any other thing, then you should give it a try. And I tried it once, and it feels so good on the skin. You just apply moisturizer, then primer, and apply this foundation compact, and you are good to go. And it gives so much good skin. See, and this is my shade, and it merges with your skin and gives that नेचुरल काइंड ऑफ स्किन कि मतलब ऐसा नहीं लगता कि बहुत सारा मेकअप लगाया है. इफ यू डोंट वांट द हैवी बेस एंड यू जस्ट वांट अ नाइस soft girl makeup look, then you can give it try to this. And as well as it gives this cushion like thing, and which is so soft and so good to use, so it is your money worth it. So you can buy this. Now another is the most viral product I have seen on the internet, on the Pinterest, and it is also a luxury product. And I was like that it is a sale, and if you don't buy any luxury, then it's not worth. So I buy this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Compact, and this was the packaging. And when you open it, you get the product which looks so luxe in your vanity, and as well as it is so awesome to use. मैंने already ये एक बार try किया है, और ये जितना luxe product है, जितने ज़्यादा you invest the money in it, and you can feel it. It's worth every single penny. When I see it was on the discount, so I was like, let's buy it, because discount बार बार नहीं आता, and you should give a good thing, good product to yourself and treat yourself like me. जब मैंने ये लिया ना, मतलब दिल पे ऐसे छुरियाँ चली थी, छुरियाँ, बट जब मैंने ये ट्राई किया, मज़ा आ गया. जैसा इसको दिखाया गया है, ये वैसा ही है. It gives that matte finish to your skin. मतलब if you want the matte kind of look in your makeup, then this is the thing you should buy, and you should invest in a good product. And I just love this product. I already tried it once, और ये बहुत ही awesome था. And it is Hinu approved luxe product, so yes, it is worthy. You should give it a try, and it also is a good packaging. So yes, this was the product. And now another thing that I will show you is the lipsticks. So in lipsticks, I bought two lipstick, which was kind of viral from some days or some months. And the first one is from L'Oreal. L'Oreal की products बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी आती है, whether it is in hair, it is in makeup, or anything else. I just love L'Oreal's product. It is L'Oreal Paris lipstick, and I am in the shade Worth It, and it is also known as the Alia shade. And I was like, let me give it a try. It's a nice pink nude shade that you can use for everyday makeup also, and also to any party or any other thing you have to go. Just look at the shade, and it is so beautiful to use. I love this kind of shade, and they are so worth it. And it is also non-transferring lipstick, transfer proof. Another is from Faye Beauty's Lip Whip collection, and just look at the packaging. It's so cute. You can travel it with every day. And this is the shade. I don't remember the name of the shade, I will tell you downside what is the shade. And look, this is the color, and let me give it a swatch. Just look, it is also a nude color. It's kind of a brick color and not a pink and not a brown, and it is merging colors, and I just love this kind of lipstick. In fact, I have wore it right now. You can just check it out on my lips. It is so good, and it is non-transferring. So yes, you can go with this lipstick, and it is not very expensive. It is budget friendly, so you can use it. And now another product we are jumping is the eye makeup category, in which I got 2-3 products which are very good because I also gave it a try. And the first thing is this makeup palette, which was from the long time in my wish list, sitting down and waiting for me to buy it. And just look at the palette, it's so good. And guys, 1, 2 and 3, it's ta-da! Just look at the shade. They are so pigmented, so beautiful, and I just love their shimmers and the brown shades which you can use for smoky eyes, and for glitter eyes you can use the shimmer shades. Just look, they are so pigmented, super good to use. Let me give it a swatch. Just look. Look at the shade. It's so good, so pigmented. I just love this kind of shades, and they are super good, and they are not like that powdery thing that when you do and apply on your eyes and it falls down on your cheeks, on your nose. No, they are so good to use. Just look at the pigment, and they are having super awesome colors. And I am in the shade of palette is Tammy into Revolution Tropical Twilight. Yes, this is the palette, and it's so good. I just love these types of palettes that you get all kinds of shade, whether it is shimmer shades or they are browns, and I just love the pigment formulation are best. And another eye makeup kit is this. It's also from Makeup Revolutions, and the palette name is Kisu. And just look, it's in a baby pink palette, and it's in this you also get 2 highlighters with the eyeshadow. So yes, just look it. It is so good and so nice colors, and the pigments are also super awesome. Let me give it a swatch to you. Just look at this shimmer color. It is so beautiful and so nice. You can wear it in any kind of function or in the festive season. It's super awesome. Another 2 things are also with the eye makeup category, and it is from Swiss Beauty, and this is the eye shadow pencil which you can use. And I also have another color already, and I had bought these 2 other variants, and just look, they are the color changing formulation. Just look at this. Can you see it? It changes its color with the angle. And another shade is on kind of a pink, not a pink and not a blue kind of thing. Just look at this shade. It's so beautiful, and when you do the full eye makeup with these pencils, it looks super awesome. And you can also use it as eyeliner, and it gives beautiful eye makeup. And now another thing that I brought, it is from the perfume category, and it is from Plum Body Lovin' Moon Kissed Drama. Look at the bottle, it's so cute and so tiny that you can go with it when you travel, and it smells so good. And just spray on your body and you can go. There are so much other variant on this bottle. There are vanilla, smoking vanilla, caramello, and other. I also had vanilla variant in this, but I just love this Moon Kiss Drama. It's not aquatic, not floral. It's the mix and like of smell you get in this. And another is also from Plum Beauty. Plum Body Lovin' Body Mist. It is smoking vanilla body mist. Just look, and this is so smoking vanilla kind of fragrance. In winter, it's super awesome to use such fragrance. And let me show you the freebie that I got. I just love freebies. In this sale season, you get discount, you get freebies, and also the other various multiple things that you can try. And this is from Plum Body Loving. Plum also gives many other things. This time I got this 3 trio kit. It is the face wash, and another is the moisturizer and the sunscreen. Yes, it's 2, 1, 2 and 3 that you can try, and it's so good. And now the last thing, that is the dewy hydrating mist, and it is from Pack into Sara Sarosh, my most favorite YouTuber, and who collabed with Pack. And just you have to spray on your face and you're good to go. Your makeup lasts super long, and the spray is also nice to use. And this is the packaging you get, and it is so nice and so beautiful that you, when you kept it in your vanity, it looks super cute. And so yes, this was the all the things that I brought from the Nykaa's Pink Friday sale, and that I loved it, and every single thing is worth the money. मतलब किसी भी चीज़ को लेके मुझे रिग्रेट फील नहीं हुआ कि नहीं ये अच्छा नहीं था एंड व्हाई डिड आई बॉट दिस. नो, ऑल द थिंग्स वर सो गुड, सो ब्यूटीफुल, and you can give it a try to all these things because they are Hinu approved and worth every single penny. So yes, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to this video. Bye bye. See you until next time.